In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Google. Following that, select All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, my switcher and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by choosing the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!